And today I'm going to make for you the McChicken Smash Tacos. So if you haven't seen that video yet, you can find the edited video and watch that. It's not a hard recipe at all.
So yeah, we're gonna cook up something right here, right now.
Right here, right now.
Right here, right now.
Get yourself, I got a couple pounds of ground chicken. You use what you have.
Yes. So this is the Kirkwood lean ground chicken.
Iceberg lettuce.
Iceberg lettuce.
And
is she going to keep throwing things at me here?
Tortillas.
Oh. All right. So just so you kids know, I am tortillas, flour tortillas every day of my life. I can't. Oh jeez. We don't have a camera for that.
It's not glass. That's it. I won't do it with the pickle jar.
All right, we need to warm up for that.
And pickle chips, if you like pickles. McChickens don't actually have pickles on them, but they should. Here's the garlic salt with parsley. I don't even know what camera I'm looking at anymore, but
right there, you got it. Yep.
Yep.
The other camera here. There we go.
Panko breadcrumbs. Oh. It looks like just black pepper. So that's really all you need for your, and some oil for cooking. There's two things to prep this. You're gonna shred your lettuce. So you're gonna take your iceberg head of lettuce, and here's the deal. When you have one of these, you take it and you smash it. And then, now you can just grab this right here and just pull it out. It makes it a little bit easier to do that. So now you got, and I just kind of like to, like that one girl with that reel that we saw. You pull out the lettuce butthole, basically. She got that bag of lettuce. It was salad, a bag of salad. She wanted a Caesar salad or something. Yeah. And she said this is like a bag of buttholes because it was a bunch of like this stuff that you'd never eat. Yeah. In the bag, so you got to remove the butthole. Yeah, so now we're going to just cut this into fours to start, and then just take your knife and just shred it up so that you have your lettuce ready to go. So this is, the epitome of simple. You're just gonna put your ground chicken into your bowl, however much you bought. There's no right or wrong, and then. In the other video, I also mentioned, this is the garlic salt with parsley from Aldi, specifically. The garlic salt that you bought in the past that is super fine, it comes up so fast and it's so easy to over salt something with it. So keep in mind, this is hitting two buttons here for you, the garlic flavor and the salt flavor. So I'm just kind of salting all around the meat, garlic salting all around the meat. And then do the same with your pepper. So just kind of, and then get in there and just get in there and smoosh it up. This is so freaking cold. All right, so we're prepped. And now Juicy Joe has got to get my burner ready for me.
For a Sunday to end like this, us going live here.
I know.
It's a treat. I think for us, it's a treat,
Yeah.
We're making food. It's going to be an easy recipe. Oh, fair.
All right, so here's what you do. You're gonna take your mushy chicken, okay, that you've already seasoned with your garlic salt and pepper, and you're gonna just take it and smash it all over in a thin layer onto your tortilla. You wanna add some oil to the pan.
USB. No.
So you got some lube there. Take it and smash it down.
Yeah.
Wherever it lands, apparently, is going to stick. So just, I didn't put I knew I was going to forget that. Hold on. This is live. Hold on. We're going to save this.
What you got?
I forgot to do the panko breadcrumbs. So before you do that part, you want to shake on some breadcrumbs. This is what makes it taste like a McChicken because it's got some crunchies. You want to get your texture on there. Now, get more oil on there because that's going to brown up your breadcrumbs.
Show B-cam that.
Go boo-bam.
Boo-bam.
Now we're gonna go ahead and fry up this first one here.
Turn up the heat up.
As the pan gets a little hotter, you can kind of gauge as to how long you're gonna need to keep it on there. But you're just trying to cook the chicken through for the most part right now, and it'll crisp up and give it that kind of crunchy texture. Just kind of release it and take a look to see. And then you just flip it.
Oh yeah. Oh,
All right,
look at that.
all
Okay.
right.
Okay.
We got a little dark right there.
Little, but
Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Just, don't worry about it.
Well, we got to make sure the chicken is cooked.
If you want to flip it again, just do what you need to do. All right, so this one is done.
Let me get
Let's
you
put it on a plate.
Yep.
Boop.
There
All
we
right,
go.
that
There
looks
we go.
good. It's like a pancake. The first one always looks like shit, right?
Yep,
This
yep.
time I'm not going to forget. All right, smushy smush.
Smushy smush.
It's spitting at me. Did you see that? All right, we did that. I'm just gonna put it right over the chicken bowl, because who cares if we get some in the chicken? It still needs oil, babe. Give me that.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Thank you. Yeah, do
got
it.
it. Yeah. Let's go.
Why is it smoking so much?
Yeah, it gets hot. Propane, it gets
That
out of
is
control.
ridiculous. It does get out of control.
Yeah.
We can also spray this part.
I think so.
While it's-
that's a good call there,
I think
Tara,
so.
Foodie. And this is supposed to taste like, again, what now, baby?
A McChicken.
A McChicken. So, let me get food out of your hair. I do.
What
hair,
is it? Is it a panko breadcrumb?
I do hair and makeup. Not makeup, just the hair. I messed
Me
it
too,
up.
no. Is it gone?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah.
McChicken. And this is a great recipe for any kid that's
if they wanna
just
cook
getting
with your
started
kids.
out in life. So if you really want to, if you got some teenagers or kids that have graduated and are actually going out to college and all they have is like maybe a hot plate, you can probably get away with doing that dormitory hot plate stuff.
Ah!
Oh geez, here we go.
It's just too hot, I think.
We are shooting from the hip,
I know.
which is I enjoy this.
I know.
So, we just got to get settled in and take your time, enjoy it, because this is what we do a lot of the times when we're not out and about socializing, doing yoga, hanging out with friends, going someplace with our kids.
Mm-hmm. This also shows you that all those damn reels that you see, that it's like, oh, boop, 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 and it's done. F that. Look, you gotta finagle things. So here's the truth right here of even how my video went. You gotta finagle. Okay. Okay.
Okay, let me get rid of that. So we have some hungry young adults around the corner here that are just probably waiting to devour some of this.
We might have to just give these to them and make more.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here is, they know when to show up, okay? They've got real impeccable timing.
Go ahead, talk about your mayonnaise.
Get your mayonnaise. Look, it's a must for the McChicken. And really all you have to do on these McChickens is put some mayonnaise on it. You just kind of go like that in the middle. Do you want pickles on yours, guys?
Pickles?
Yeah.
I do.
Okay, one with pickle and one with not. See? You can make it your own. One with pickles. And then mayonnaise is on both. I hope that was okay.
I love mayonnaise.
And then you just put a little line of lettuce down the middle. I hope I didn't make that look hard. It wasn't. We were using a propane, so that even makes it a bit crazier.
Yeah.
Finished product, looking good.
Mm-hmm.
Do you guys want to try it on screen or no? You don't have to.
You don't have to.
I will.
Yeah.
I will also.
All right, let's
Really?
go.
So
Yes.
we have two freshly graduated young adults.
Congratulate them.
So yes,
Here's your
congratulations.
pickles and your no pickle.
Yes.
So this
here
is
we go.
Sydney and Gus.
Sydney and Gus. Yes.
They are young and in love.
Young. And
Oh, yeah.
They are ridiculously cute. All right, well, enjoy. Let us know what you
Thank
think.
you.
Yes. This
You
is
ready?
the time to taste.
Holy mackerel.
Wow.
Maybe you like it.
Now, have you guys had a McChicken before?
Mm-hmm.
Does it
was the
taste
best.
like? Does it taste like a
It's
McChicken?
amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's better than McChicken.
Better than
Yeah?
McChicken's,
It's
right?
better than McChicken.
See? Good.
Very
Okay.
yummy.
I'm
Thank
taking this
you.
right now.
Yeah,
Take
you're
your-
taking it. All right,
take
take
your
it. Get out of
tacos
here.
with
We're gonna,
you.
we're gonna continue with a little bit
We're gonna have to
a
make
little
some
bit more live content here, and then we're going to have our own time to taste. Okay.
My favorite drink is just fizzy water. I don't have an OF. I mean, unless you want me to do feet, okay? I feel like I could, handle living my life and doing feet. So if you're into feet, let me know. There's enough of you.
Hold on. I have a B cam going right now. Going up.
Okay. So, yeah, let's go ahead and dress these real quick.
Yeah.
And,
So B cam's on. They're showing you right now, babe.
okay, honey.
Or not showing you, but showing. Yeah.
So about a tablespoon, I think, is good for the mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Then, do you want pickles or no pickles?
I'll have pickles.
You want, really?
Yeah. Let's go with pickles today.
All right.
I'm not usually a pickle guy, so
You won't regret this because it really adds just that. Here, I'll just give you 3. I won't
because the McDonald's version does have pickles, right?
It does not.
It does not.
But I always have them added because
See?
you should.
She changes shit up all the time.
I can because I'm Tara the Foodie.
There's the food, and it's your kitchen too. So when you see something
7
like
pickles.
this, yeah, and you're making this in your kitchen, if you want pickles like she's doing,
Yeah, and then you can get your greens in. Well, these are barely greens. If you like
I'm fucking
nostalgia and you don't want to eat McDonald's food,
hungry. So hungry.
are you so hungry?
I'm so hungry.
Sorry for that. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
What? 1, 2, 3. What?
It's my favorite time of every episode. Time to taste.
It's our favorite time of every episode. Time to taste.
God, so
That was
creepy.
great.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Mmm.
Huh?
I like it.
It's.
Mmm.
That's it. We went a
You
little
talk.
long. We went a little longer today without eating.
That's
All right,
great.
kids. Yeah, we're gonna finish this up and enjoy the rest of our night. And again, this has been fun.
Yay!
So this is Tara the Foodie,
And this is Juicy Joe.
and
We will see you next time.